Okay, folks, what we've got here is a bed extender for a 2023 Ford F-150. This is the XLT version. We were given this product free for our honest review, and I'm really looking forward to having it. My wife asked if I could do it, and I said yes, because it's going to be great for taking trash, getting fuel. All right, we have done the unpacking. We've got all the parts laid out.
So the truck bed extender is made for a Ford F-150. It fits all models from 2015 through 2026. Right out of the box, we could tell it was solid. It is made from aluminum alloy with a nice black powder coat finish, so it's really built to last and resist rust. The installation was very easy and very straightforward. The kit came with a helpful template for drilling and mounting, which made it so much easier than my husband expected. We spent just a little time getting it all set up on the truck bed, and once it was on, it fit perfectly, like it was made for this exact model, which it was. What's really cool about this extender is you can flip it backward to give yourself more cargo space when you need it, or you can flip it forward to get easy access to stuff near the tailgate. So stuff's not going to slide around and move on you when you have it flipped the other way. So it can hold the gas cans, it can hold our water jugs, and my husband doesn't have to get in the truck to reach anything. It'll hold it right in place for him. I do think we're going to leave it in the truck bed more than out, but it is great if you have to carry long pieces of wood or like PVC pipe or something. It's going to give you that more. It's going to give you more space in that tailgate area. So definitely a plus. It even has a flagpole mount so you can display your favorite flag. Overall, it's just a really smart upgrade for anyone who needs a bit more flexibility with their truck bed. We were so lucky to get this. We absolutely love it. We're definitely thinking of getting one for our Ram as well, as they do make them for other makes and models of pickup trucks. So we love it. We hope you do too, and I hope this video helps.